Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to use Elementor Pro in order to create pop-ups. So in this video we'll be creating a pop-up for the Book Now button here. So if you click that, then this schedule appointment pop-up will appear. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so here I have a WordPress website with Elementor Pro and Elementor installed. So if we check out the front end here, it's just a standard Elementor based website. Okay, and then what we'll do is work on a pop-up menu that will trigger when you click on Book Now. So to do that, what you want to do is go here into Dashboard and then Templates and then Pop-ups. Then we're just going to add a new pop-up. Okay, and we'll just name this Book Now Pop-up. Okay, create template. Okay, great. So they also have some examples here. So we can use some of these as an example. So let's say when you click Book Now, it'll take you to a menu. So we can do, say they have here like a full screen one in the menu, or you can have like a sidebar widget as well. Okay, so when they click Book Now, we can schedule an appointment here. So let's insert that. Okay, great. So it'll look like this when you click Book Now. So again, you can come in here and change everything as well. So change the text. You can look here into the structure editor just to see all the available elements. So again, you can look at the main form here, and then you can, of course, increase the width and the height, but we'll just keep it how it was by default here. So again, you can look here into styling. So let's say for the background, if you wanted to change the color or add an image, you can do that over here, but we'll just keep it white. So let's just change it to match the header color. So let's go here into our global colors, color sampler. Okay, so let me just get the color here of the header. Okay, and then I'll paste it in here. Awesome. So yeah, so this looks good. And then we can have a look here. So the text is all still readable. And then over here in advanced, if you want to add some padding, so the top looks a little bit tight. So let's add some padding top and bottom. So we can not link the values together and add like 20 padding top and some padding at the bottom there. Okay, so this looks more spaced out. Again, look here into the form. So these are some more important elements. So you can double check that these fields here are accurate. Okay, and then the after submission, I'll go to the email that you have connected to the account. But again, you can change everything here. So if you want to use, say, email campaign software, they have those integrations available. Okay, then you want to collect, what do you want to collect from the submissions and then the emails. So this is just how the email will look like. So you can view that over here. Okay, so that's just some options with the form. Okay, and then again over here with the spacing, so again, you can look through all that. Okay, and then over here is the spacing within the form, so we can make it wider or more concise, and these are for the gaps here, and these here are for the column gaps. So we'll just keep it by default. And over here is the field, so if you want to change like colors, spacing, and the buttons here as well, but we'll just keep it all by default here. Okay, and then over here, let's click publish. And then now it'll say, where do you want this display to pop up? So you can choose whether you want this. In our case, we want it when a button is pressed. So we'll just do when triggered. So we can say on click. So again, you want to make sure which pages to include. So we'll just do entire site as well. So, okay, so you have the trigger over here. So on click is when you want this pop-up to trigger. And then these are some advanced rules. So for this one here, show after X page is viewed, say if you're an e-commerce store, if you have a customer looking through certain pages, then like a coupon code could pop up. So that would be effective in some of those use cases. Okay, so we'll save and close. Okay, so next what we want to do is trigger the pop up to our button over here. So we can go and edit with Elementor and edit the header. Okay, and then the button here, so we can click this, and then what we want to do is link options. Okay, with the link here, what we want to do is dynamic tag, and then what we want to do is go here into pop-up. And then choose the pop-up. So we can open the pop-up over here, and then we'll choose the pop-up, which is the Book Now pop-up. Okay, and publish that. Okay, great. So now let's go back to our homepage here. And click that, and awesome. So now our pop-up is showing here. So again, we can double check the responsiveness of our pop-up. So it looks like this on tablet, and it'll look like this on mobile. So you can just double check our responsiveness settings on our website here. Let's go into an iPhone view. Okay, when you click the button, then the pop-up pops up here as well. So great, we have a working pop-up here. So again, you can utilize this feature on Elementor Pro in order to set up dynamic pop-ups, which can be useful for setting out pop-up menus or email newsletter signups as well as offering coupons or promotions for e-commerce websites. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to follow along and get a pop-up set up on your Elementor Pro website. If you're looking for help with your Elementor or WordPress website, then you can click the link in the description below to book a consultation with me. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with my future videos, and I hope to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So if you can help out with that, then that would be great. Thanks for watching.